Welcome back. If you are still thinking up a New Year's resolution for next year, the American Red Cross is hoping you'll consider donating blood. In fact, we are helping you get a head start with the Health Fair 11 Winter Blood Drive 1 week from today. That is why today we've invited Sue Thasinga from the Red Cross and Kate Harahan to tell us their stories. And we're so glad you're both here. Welcome on a holiday week.
Thank you.
Glad to have you here. Sue, January is the National Blood Donation Month. That is so important. But why is it important at that time of the year especially?
Well, January is National Blood Donor Month, and it gives us the opportunity to thank our generous volunteers who donate throughout the year. And it's also a time to put a call for action out for new blood donors to join our life-saving mission. Yeah. Also in January, we're hit with less than desired blood donations during the holiday season and seasonal illnesses and weather. And so those all impact blood donation. And so it's a time when we really need blood donations to make sure we can serve our hospitals and patients who need blood.
Yeah, that all makes perfect sense. Kate, I know you're an activist when it comes to trying to get people to consider donating blood, and that it really comes from your own story and what happened with you. Can you share a little bit about that?
Yeah, absolutely. So I was in an automobile accident almost 15 years ago, and through the course of nearly 20 surgeries, I needed more than 25 units of blood to save my life. And so it's funny, it's one of those things that prior to my accident, nobody had ever asked me to donate blood. And a few years following my accident, you know, just when kind of navigating all the nuances of learning to walk for the first time and all these different components, there was a Red Cross blood drive, and a friend of mine said, let's go donate. And I was like, absolutely not. The fear of needles and all of these things, I'm okay. And they said, well, how much blood did you need to save your life? And it was that good friendly reminder, that light bulb moment of like, okay, get out there and time to give back, even if it's not something that, you know, I love sitting in that chair. But saving 3 lives by doing that has been something that's been really impactful to me, and making sure that I'm giving back at least what I've taken is kind of my overall goal.
That is so powerful. We're so glad you're here and
Thank
that you're
you.
such an activist for this important cause. And this important cause especially has some opportunities next month. Tell us a little bit about that, Sue.
Yes, CARE 11 and Health Fair 11 are hosting their annual winter blood drive. And it's a great opportunity for people who are on break or maybe on vacation still from the holidays to sign up and donate, resolve to do something good in the new year. And so the timing is absolutely perfect, and we encourage people to sign up for that blood drive. You can download our Red Cross Blood Donor app or sign up on redcrossblood.org. All you have to do is put in sponsor code CARE11, and that blood drive will pop right up and you can sign up.
That's amazing. You might even get some merch out of the deal.
Yeah,
right?
you know, I brought this shirt because everybody loves it, but when you donate between now and January 5th, you get this Yeti Set Donate shirt, and people just love it. It's a long sleeve t-shirt, and we hope to see lots of people out in the community wearing those shirts.
Oh, and that has to be so encouraging to both of you that your efforts are paying off, making a difference. Well, thank you so much, ladies. We really appreciate you being here today. And of course, if you have more, interest in being able to do this, we should also mention you could win tickets to the Super Bowl if you donate in January. I do want to mention that. So we will have more information on all of this on our website, care11.com.